Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to make this video on scalar product and vector product. In this product, as you have learned in your before video, what about the scalar product and how we have to take about the scalar product and what are considered as scalar product and why it is called as a scalar product. All we have discussed in the earlier videos. So now I'm going to talk about the scalar product and the vector product, and we have learned what is called as a scalar product. It is also called as dot product. What the other name of the scalar product we call as dot product, and the other name of vector product is called as cross product. What it is called? Cross product. And now let me tell you, it is denoted as a bar dot b bar, and it is also denoted as a bar cross b bar. So we have learned in the before video, that is a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. And please remember, under the scalar product or the dot product, we need to consider cos theta. Coming to the next, it is a bar cross b bar. Here we have ab sin theta. So remember this, in your vector product, or we call as a cross product, we are going to take ab sin theta. Here we have to use sine value. And now, if your question is asked to find out the angle of two vectors, angle between the two vectors, here we are going to get from the above formula, cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by AB. Here AB, in the sense we have to take magnitude of both the two vectors. So individual magnitude we have to consider, that is mod A into mod B. So now here you should not consider as a cross product. It is just a multiplication symbol I have written for your better understanding. So from here I got cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by AB. AB, in the sense it is the magnitude of the both vectors individually. The whatever the magnitude we got in the A, and it should be multiplied to the vector B. Only the magnitudes we have to consider. And coming to the vector product, here the same manner from the above equation, what you can write the sine theta, if you kick this AB from this side, it will go there on the other side at the denominator, that is a bar cross b bar by AB. AB, in the sense magnitude of vector A multiplied with the vector magnitude of vector B. So now let me take one of the problem. Here I have a textbook, and here if you can look out the question number 10, what you can find here, the angle between two vectors given by. So one we should consider as a vector A, the other should be considered as vector B. So it is about 6i cap plus 6j cap minus 3k cap and 7a cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So here they have given two vectors and they are asking to find the angle between them. And they had given some values as some options like this: cos inverse 1 by root 3, cos inverse 5 by root 3, and some sine inverse 2 by root 3 and sine inverse root 5 by 3. So let us find out how to solve this. So here let me write the first. I have written the question number according to my book, and let me write the given data. Given 1 I had considered as a vector. This is about 6i cap plus 6j cap plus minus 3k cap. And the second vector is 7i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So now, what's the first step we have to go for? To find out what's our finding term. Our finding term is the angle between both the two vectors, what it is. So now for this, we have a formula. What's the formula we had? Cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by AB. AB, in the sense, it is a magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. So firstly we need to find a bar dot b bar. So now it is a dot product of a bar and b bar. Before you go for a dot product, let us know some of the points whatever you have learned earlier. Just remind them. A bar dot I cap dot I cap. You're going to get j cap dot j cap is equals to k cap dot k cap is always 1. And if it is orthogonal vectors, what do you mean by orthogonal vectors? Orthogonal vectors means, in the sense, the vectors, the axis which makes an angle 90 degrees. So if it makes an angle 90 degrees with each other, then that kind of angles, that kind of vectors, we call it as orthogonal. So for example, it is I cap dot j cap is equals to j cap dot k cap is equals to k cap dot I cap is always we are going to get 0. And I told you why we got 1 if it is same and why we got 0 if it is orthogonal. If you can watch the before video, you can come to know. If you can watch the basics of multiplication of vectors, you can find why we have considered this. And now let me find the next one. So now let me write the vectors 6i cap plus 6j cap plus minus 3k cap dot 7i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So what we have to do now? Simply like your distributive law, what we will do? We will take one of them and multiply with the other. Same manner, the other and again to everything. Again like this. Let me write in detail here. So I am taking the first term 6i cap into 7i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So what I did, simply I took the first and multiplied with the other. Next coming to the second term, 6j cap multiplied with 7i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So now what we have to do? We have to take the third one, 3k cap and multiply with 7i cap plus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Now I think you know simple multiplication. So we have to multiply 6i with this and also this. Same manner, this and this. With this and with this. Is that clear till here? And now, so firstly, let me write the multiplication of these two numbers and then caps. Then it is 6 into 7, I cap dot I cap plus 4 into 6, I cap dot j cap plus 6 into 4, I cap dot k cap. Same manner, coming to the second one, 6 into 7, j cap dot I cap plus 6 into 4 j cap dot j cap plus 6 into 4 j cap dot k cap. Now there is no place sufficient to write the third one, so let me write it below. This is about 3k cap, so let me write a 3 into 7 k cap dot I cap minus 3 into 4 k cap dot j cap minus 3 into 4 k cap dot k cap. So here what we have learned, before I had written I cap dot I cap j cap dot j cap k cap dot k cap is equals to 1, and if it is other than this, then we have to consider as 0. So this one is considered as 0, this is considered as 0, this is considered as 0, this is considered as 0, and this one also considered as 0, this one is also considered as 0. What is left? 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 terms are left, and so I can write a 6 into 7 into 1 plus, what's the second one I wrote? 6 into 4 into 1 minus 3 into 4 into 1. So what I got? 6 7s how much? 42 plus 24 minus 12, then it is 42 plus 12, then it is 54 units. But now we are not yet finished our problem. Just we found a bar dot b bar. But now let us find a bar dot b bar magnitudes. What's the formula to find out the magnitudes? Why we require to find the magnitudes? Simply we had a formula here. So it is about AB in the sense magnitude of A and magnitude of B. So it can be written as ax square plus ay square plus az square. Simply it is the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. So it is about 6 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 whole square according to the given data I am doing. So now it is 36 plus 36 plus 9. You may get root 81. Then it is 9. Same manner, mod b bar. Mod b bar is equals to root of bx square plus by square plus bz square. It is about root of 7 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. It is about 49 plus 16 plus 16. It is also root 81. Now we got 9. So it is about, finally we got a bar dot b bar and magnitudes of a and b. So now substitute in the formula. Cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. So what we got in a bar dot b bar, we got 54. Let us substitute the same thing here. And the magnitudes is 9 into 9. 9 ones are 9 six are 3 twos are 3 threes are. Finally we got 2 by 3. I think we got the answer. Let us go through this. Cos theta is equals to 2 by 3. Send this cos to the other side. It becomes cos inverse. Then it is theta is equals to cos inverse 2 by 3. So let us find whether the answer is there in the textbook. So what the option is given? Cos inverse 1 by root 3. Cos inverse 5 by root 3. Sin inverse 2 by root 3. Sin inverse root 5 by 3. What? Is it right or wrong? Or don't get confused. It is right. So, but their option is not given whatever we got the answer. Answer is right, but the option is not given. So, let us go through here. Right angled triangle. Why we have to take right angled triangle is in the sense they had not given the value in terms of cos. They might be given in terms of sine. So, to check whether the answer is right, whatever we got, I am taking the other function other than the cos. So, what we have to know, in a right angled triangle, we know well the side which is in front of the theta, we call it as an opposite. The side which is in touch with the theta, we call as an adjacent. And the side which is longer than these two, we call as an hypotenuse. Now we know cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. And we got it is as 2 by 3. So in the place of adjacent, what we can write? 2. In the place of hypotenuse, we can write 3. And if you want to find the sin theta value, what we have to go for? We have a formula. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. We don't know what the hypotenuse it is. So if we can able to find the hypotenuse, we can find what the sin theta is. To find out the opposite side, we have to go for your Pythagoras theorem. So it is about hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So now it is, from here we need to find opposite side. Opposite side is equals to hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. So what we got on a hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is about a 3 square. Adjacent is about 2 square. It is 9 minus 4. We got 5. But we required only opposite. So instead of this square, if you send this square to the other side, it becomes square root. So now we got opposite side as a root 5. Let me place the same. By hypotenuse is 3. So I think we got the answer. Theta is equals to sin inverse root 5 by 3. So let me find whether the answer is there in the textbook. So here is the option. Sin inverse root 5 by 3. So now with this problem, we can come to understand is what kind of problems they are giving in the questions. So what they are asking? They are asking to find theta. If it is considered as a scalar product, remember one thing. If it is a scalar product, you usually search for the option cos theta. Actually, the value is right, whatever you got. But they had converted the cos value in terms of sine value. You just find till here and you will get fixed that this is the wrong answer. You are going on trying for the better one. Actually, we need to go for the conversion of other sign. So now I had done the same. So when I got the cos value which is not found in the option, I had gone for the other option that to convert this cos theta in terms of sin theta. I had drawn a right angled triangle. By the right angled triangle, I got the two sides from the cos theta. I substituted here and I found the opposite by using your Pythagoras theorem. After using this Pythagoras theorem, we got an opposite side. From this opposite side, when I substitute in this, finally I got theta is equals to sin inverse root 5 by 3. This is all about how to find the angle between the two vectors if it is a scalar product, and also to find out the same manner we can find for a vector product. Instead of the cos theta, you may have sin theta. And instead of a bar dot b bar, you have to go for A bar cross B bar. This is all about your scalar product. In under the scalar product, how you can find the theta value, as well as under vector product, how you can find theta value between the two vectors. Thank you for watching.